So we are on chapter 5 and Halachah number 7. So we start like in the middle of Halachah. So let me read the whole Halachah, even though we commented on some parts, and then we go back with commentaries. 1 second. Go back with commentaries. Okay. So let's see. The Torah sage should neither shout nor shrek while speaking, like a cattle and a wild beast. Nor should he raise his voice excessively. Instead, he should speak gently to all people. In addition to speaking gently, he should take care not to stand at the distance, lest his speech appears like a speech of the haughty. So he said, like he doesn't want to come close. He should greet all men before they greet him, so that they be pleased with him. He should judge everyone in a good light. Speak favorably of his fellow men and never mention anything that is shameful to him. Love peace and pursue it. Okay, that's what we said so far, commented on so far. So continue. If he sees that his words will be effective and will give it attention, he should speak. If not, he should keep silent. What is implied? He should not try to placate a man in the moment of his anger. He should not mention the man about his vow at the time he is speaking. He is making his vow, but wait until he is tranquil of mind and calm. He should not comfort a man while his death is lying before him, because the bereaved is unsettled until he buried his dead. The same applies in other similar cases. He should not look at his fellow man at the moment of his humiliation, but turn his attention away. He should not distort facts, exaggerate the situation, or minimize it, except it except in interest of peace and the like. The guiding rule is that he should speak only words of the wisdom, or in connection with the acts of kindness and the like. He should not speak to a woman in a marketplace, even if she is his wife, his sister, or his daughter. Okay, so let's go back, and we're going to do this commentary and discussions. Okay, so let's start. So if he sees that his words will be effective, then he will and will be given attention. He should speak. If not, he should be silent. Okay, so let's see. 88 commentary. So Kahelas 3:7 states, there is a time to keep silent. There is a time when no person, no matter how wise or tactful, will be able to say the right thing. In this vein, Yevamos 65a states, just there is a mitzvah to say words which will be accepted, there is a mitzvah to refrain from saying the words that will not be accepted. So basically, if you know that somebody is not going to listen, like there is a group of people when we're going from the shul on Friday night, there is one side of the street, actually both sides of the street, they have this sensor light. So you have, like, when you pass by, it's going to turn on. So, and elderly people, and I told them, like, once, so I approached, I don't know, many months ago, and I told them, why would you go on this there? I mean, you know that there is a sensor. They say, no problem. I said, there is a problem, because you Michal Shabbos, stuff like that. So they say they dismissed, whatever, they make fun of it, made light of it. So, I mean, I'm not going to say it second time, basically. You understand? So they can do whatever they want. I go in the middle of the road. I mean, it's a private street. I mean, like only private houses. There is not a big traffic. But people like that, I mean, I tried. They make fun of it. So I mean, that's it. They can go wherever they want to go. Okay. So, but if you know that there is a chance that your words would be accepted, so you must say it. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So what's it called? Over here it says you're not allowed to let's say try and appease someone when he is angry. Correct? When
We didn't get to it. Let's clear it further.
okay.
We didn't get to it yet.
Understood.
It's a next sentence. Let's
Okay.
let's wait till the next sentence. Okay. So here and this idea is if you know that that person is not going to listen, or he's crazy, or he's that, or he's going to make fun, or he's going to embarrass you, and it's not about you, it's about Torah that you represent, because you said that's a halachah, and he may make fun. Who said? Where does it say? So I always ask people: are you going to check my sources? Are you going to read? If you're going to read, let's read together. I'm going to bring you a book, and we're going to read together. Do you want that? So people say no. Basically, they do not care. They just ask who said it. So whatever, right? So continue. In this, in its original context, this source deals with the obligation to admonish a colleague for our own doing. Right? In chapter 6, when the Rambam deals with the laws of rebuke, he does not mention this point. Well, here he quotes statement out of the context. Okay, no problem. So basically, they say if it's a Torah violation, so you have to rebuke many times. If it's, but this sensor light is a rabbinical violation, just to make clear.